Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is the integral. We have the integral of square root of 9 minus x to the power of 2 over x to the power of 2 dx. So I will show the technique how to answer the question. In this situation, you can use about integration by substitution. So in here we have x equals to 3 sine t, dx equals to 3 cosine t dt. And now we need to change this integral. X square we change to 9 sine t square. This one similar. Dx we change to 3 cosine t dt. Now we go into simplify. In here we have the number 9, we put outside, that's about square root number 9 over 9. And inside the square root we have 1 minus sine t square. We have number 3, we put in here. We have 1 minus sine t square equals to cosine t square, because if we put sine t square on the left, we got about sine t square plus cosine t square equals to number 1. Square root number 9 is about 3, so everything is simplified. 1 minus sine t square, you got about cosine t square. Cosine t square under the square root, you got about cosine t. Cosine t multiplied with cosine t, you got about cosine t square. We have sine t square plus cosine t square equals to number 1. So cosine t square equals to 1 minus sine t square. Now we can separate them. This one we can find the answer. That's about 10. Oh sorry. That's about negative 410 t. This one is about number 1 because sine t square simplify with sine t square. So this is about number 1 and you go about negative t. And we will about c in here. And we need to convert t back to the s. And that's about this one. So we can find t equal to r sine 3s over 3. That's the end. Thank you for watching.